Okay.
Right, I've given that a bit of a sanding. I'm happy with it. It's not as good as it could be because I haven't got any of the fine grit papers. I've only been able to go down to 400 on this, and then I've used like a triple E wax to finish it off. I've left the centre bit. I haven't polished that because I want to glue to that, so I've left that like that. So now I'm going to prepare a glue block to go on that bottom. So I'll take this off. That's the way. Right, we'll take that off. I'll give that to Lisa for a minute. She can put that down somewhere. Right, I've got a piece that I've been using before. It's just a piece of sapele. So I'm going to pop that in, tighten that down. I'm going to use this to make my glue block. Now, obviously I don't want all this, so I'm going to have to part that off. So, running, get my mask on. Right, okay. Back up at my normal 2,500 RPM, because it's the spindle. I'm just going to use my parting tool to come in and take this off so I can use it as a glue block. There we go, that's off. Right, I'm going to use my square chisel just to clean that up, get a nice flat. And like I said, I want it flat on the outside, I want it slightly in on the middle. So, I'll come in with my round chisel. I've got a little dip in there. Oh, slight cap. That's why I don't like coming in flat with them. There you go. There's a difference if you roll it over. Right. That's ready for me to glue on now. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing with that, and I'll show you this for anyone that's interested. I'll take my mask off, you can hear me better. Right, now for anyone that's interested, I'm going to think what I'm doing. Right, I'm going to take my chuck off. Can you zoom that camera out just a little bit so you can see what I'm actually doing? I'll take that chuck off. Just chuck on here. You okay?
Yep.
Can I have the bowl back, please? So I'm now going to mount my bowl. Now this is just how I do it. I'll mount my bowl back on there. That's what I'm gluing onto. We'll pop this in there. I'll screw my chuck onto here. Right, now what I will be doing now, I'll be putting my epoxy glue on in between, and then I will just wind that out So I'll come up like that, and that's going to give me a nice centre. So I won't bore you with the actual me putting glue on. I'll get this glued and then I'll come back to you. But that's how I'm going to be doing it. So I mount my one chuck on there, that chuck on there. Now I'm ready to glue up, and everything will be centred. And that when I turn that round, that'll all be centred. I'll just take that chuck off of there, put the chuck back on there with everything mounted.